So now we're going to learn this word, or this character. It means to hit. Why then? Why do we want to learn this character? One, because it's useful, because we can actually use this hit as the verb for many, many things. For instance, when you call someone, or when you play sports, all of these things you just simply say, I hit basketball, and I hit my phone when I call you. And many, many other examples that you'll find out later in this course. Number two then, the reason number two, is because it connects the pieces that we've just learned just now. So the character looks like this. You see it's squished hand and also nail. Squished hand and nail. The pronunciation is da, 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 and I think it's a bit inspired from ding, ding. The same D in the beginning, but the rest doesn't look very similar, but still helps you a little bit there, I think. Da, da, it means to hit something. I think both parts are involved in this as idea parts. We both have hand and we have a nail, and both of these things you do, and the thing that you do with these things is that you hit them. With your hand, you hit nails, simply. So this is our second verb now, and we'll start using it in the next lesson to start making beautiful sentences. To hit, da, da. How exciting, fantastic. Bye-bye for now.
My life is pure.
Oh, pure.
I saw an angel. Of that I'm sure. She smiled me on the subway. She was with another man. But I won't lose her. Sleep all night. 'Cause I have a plan. I'm sure.
忘记歌词了。